Today I'm making Italian ricotta pie almost until Easter. The first thing, I preheat my oven for 400 degrees Fahrenheit. You want to make sure the oven needs to preheat it very nice and hot. To get started to blind bake the pie crust, first you want to take 9-inch deep dish pie pastry shells. You're going to poke some of the holes on the bottom of the pastry shells using with a fork. But I just used a parchment paper, cut it with the circle to fit all the way to the pie. I want to make sure the bottom of the pie shell to get rid of the air pockets. Now you want to take a parchment paper. You want to overlap it. Arrange the pie weights into the pie pastry shells has been already lined with parchment paper. Once again, I'm going to use a whole almonds. Now you can also substitute with dried beans or uncooked rice to replacing pie weights. When it's after poked, then place it onto the cookie sheet and put it in the oven to start it with 15 minutes. Now when it's after 15 minutes, you're going to take it out of the oven. You're going to remove the pie weights with the parchment paper. You can see all the sides got puffed over here and the bottom just stills on. You're going to brush it with the egg whites onto the pie crust, almost getting right into. It doesn't get really soggy. Here we are, just brush all the way on the baked crust. We're going to return it back in the oven continue to bake it for 9 more minutes. Always have to make sure to wear oven mitts while the pan is still hot. It looks just almost perfect, nice and toasty pie crust. Can you see it's very nice and golden brown right all over. And we're just going to let this cool to keep that warm, and we're going to finish the rest of the ingredients. Okay, we're going to make a filling for next. I already reduced the temperature to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. We're going to combine 15 ounce tub of poly-O original ricotta cheese. Make sure to drain off the excess liquid. I'm going to go ahead and put a half a cup of granulated sugar, along with 4 large eggs, make sure it's room temperature, and 2 teaspoons of pure vanilla extract. Then you want to stir well until it's just like a cake batter. I'm going to use a whisk. Here we are, it's nice and smooth, just like a pancake batter. And now we are ready to assemble. Now you're going to pour the filling into prepare baked pie crust. You can see how light batter it was. Now after you pour, you're going to cover the pie edge tightly with some strips of aluminum foil to prevent over browning. You can also use the pie shield if you can. Now you want to return it back in the oven to continue to bake for 30 to 40 minutes. 3040. I'll come back and I'll show you what it looks. It is about just almost ready. Let me just turn this off. We're going to remove the foil off the edge of the pie. I'm going to wear the oven mitts to keep it protection. Right? I'll remove that. We're going to close that door. And we're going to let this rest in the oven while it's still hot for 45 minutes. I'm going to set this timer for more. I'll come back after 45 minutes. See you then. Like I said, keep the pie in the oven to rest while it prevents for overcracking. Right, it's after resting for 45 minutes. Let's take this out of the oven. And you can see how it just turns perfectly great. Now the next thing, you want to cover tightly with plastic wrap. And you want to chill it into the refrigerator for 30 minutes until we're going to be ready. I hope you're going to love those pie. Now after it's chilled for 30 minutes, I take it out from the refrigerator. And you can go ahead to remove the plastic wrap. I just already put it on the countertop. Can you see that? It's not been cracking. You're probably sure you can see this watery on the pie. What I like to do, I already used a napkin to give this to little by little of those dabble, just to get rid of all the excess water. I decided I'm going to use the toothpick to check inside of the pie to see how it looks like, and almost comes out clean, hopefully. Alright, we're ready to cut the pie and use one with the butter knife. Let's go all the way right through. And it just looks like a custard pie. Let's skip this one. We'll be ready to serve. Perfect. And here's the finish. Italian ricotta pie. Almost ready until perfect for Easter. If you're interested for more recipes, write me in the comments below and you want to say something. Always have to make sure to view all videos before sharing. Give me a big thumbs up for everyone. As always, Happy Easter. Are you a fan of our videos? Be sure to subscribe to Worldwide Campus News and Entertainment. Then ring the bell to see all notifications about the new videos and the latest video.